Okay, I love my husband, but there is no way in the world I am paying $6 for 8 of these crackers. So I decided to replicate the recipe, and it's super fun, super easy, super yummy, and super filling, and a heck of a lot cheaper. These are the easiest crackers to make ever, and they're chock full of protein. So Bill has fallen in love with these Norwegian flatbread crackers, which cost about $8 for six. And it was driving me nuts, so I'm like, let me try whipping up a recipe, and it totally worked. I used 2 cups of spelt flakes, 2 cups of a mix of pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. Added some garlic powder and slap ya mama, which, by the way, is Braden's favorite spice, and I hope that doesn't mean anything. 1.5 cups of water, and then I put it on a well-oiled baking pan, preheated the oven to 275, and baked it for about an hour. That dehydrates it a bit so that you can flip it over and cut into pieces. So after I did that, I baked it for another 40 minutes, and here you go. This is so amazing with cheese or almond butter or peanut butter.